What's up, gang? Welcome back. Ride and review today is for a place called Hancock Street. Been there before. Wait for this subway to pass. It's gonna be a little loud. It's pretty good. I've had they have really good pasta there. They have a good steak, like a big ribeye, you know, that they slice it up, serve it for 2 people. One of the things I really love there is the veal schnitzel. What the fuck is this guy doing? Veal schnitzel's great there. They only offer it, I think they only offer it like on Fridays or something. But that's really probably my favorite thing on the menu that I've had. I haven't been there in like 2 years. So I'm going there to celebrate my friend Jay's 40th birthday. I've introduced you guys to Jay before in some of my other videos. I think we did Kobo by Nye. His Instagram account is the Dishlin Guide. Known Jay a long time. He's one of the first people I met in the food Instagrammer, reviewer, blogger business. He was one of the only guys writing reviews like I was doing. So we became close friends from there. So this will be a comped meal. There's going to be a bunch of Instagram people there. Man, this traffic. This sucks. Fucking FedEx trucks blocking the whole fucking road. Yeah, so there'll be a bunch of us. It's gonna probably be a shit show in terms of like lights and fucking tons of dishes coming out, everyone getting photos, but it is fun sometimes. Lights are not timed well today. This place is basically straight across town, 6th Avenue and like just above Houston. So I'm on Houston now, heading west. Hopefully don't get stuck in any rain. Traffic. Yeah, it's like peak rush hour right now. There's a lot of cars on the road right now. So the chef at Hancock Street, he's been around the block a bit. He's done some stuff with Harry's Steakhouse, which I did a ride and review for a while back. He's been in the Lore Fish Bar, Hancock Street, Bowery Miko, restaurant group a while now. Nice guy, talented guy. I first met him, I guess, maybe it was a year and a half ago, not 2 years ago. I don't know, it was 2021. The gang at Golden Packing picked him up as a customer, so we were supplying him with the meat for a while, with his meat. So I went in there with Dave, my buddy who owns Golden. Sat down at the bar with him, chatted him up a little bit, and figured out what he needed from us. Almost there. All right, here it is. That was quick. Hancock Street. Oh, there's a spot for me to lock my bike up right here too. Perfect. All right, see you guys on the inside.
Jeremy just likes to copy all my itinerary.
Well, I didn't have 6 weeks to travel, so I had to do it another time.
Portugal, you're like, give me every second.
Osaka.
And then you got Grover too.
So I did get Grover. Yeah, so
highlights on the menu here, the tuna lasagna sheets roll like this, and then slice it and stick in a little cassoulet for the tongue.
It's a playoff swish and wedgie.
What are you doing in the background over there? What are you doing?
Oh,
Birthday.
get in here.
Happy birthday, Jay. Wait, should we start in the middle and then pull back for the boomerang?
so we're actually gonna.
Is someone really doing it?
Are you? You're
I'm
doing
not.
it.
I'm
I'm not doing
definitely-
it. I'm not doing it.
And then the other one, this is the dough has a little egg, it has a little brushing on top.
Depends
Good.
what part of the egg you're allergic to. But if you're allergic to like the enzyme in the yolk that I'm allergic to, it binds.
On the ground, making it more adult.
Oh my goodness.
There we go.
There we go.
Let's have Ryan do a poll as well.
Oh, yes. Wait. Can you?
Ryan's already knows about
Pools, all that fun stuff.
Thanks, Jeff.
Those radiators look good, bro.
Love radiators, bro. Love radiators.
Carrots.
Yeah, when they are in the hole, we take a photo. Chicken.
There we go.
Did you bury it?
Of course I buried it. Kidding me? Nope, I didn't. You guys go nuts. Ready? I'm gonna get my face.
Yeah, get that squid up there. Beautiful black.
Look at that steam coming off.
Yeah, I will. But hold on, what else did you get?
Marcus.
Oh my god! And then chef, when you squeeze it.
Oh my God. You don't have to squeeze it.
Oh yeah. Squeeze that bad boy. Squeeze that bad boy. You're getting it.
Yeah, there it is. Get them all wet, that's it.
Here.
Booth right in the middle.
The side with some roasted shallots. sauce.
Yuzu. Everything yuzu.
You can do 4,
And
but
a squeeze.
See that?
It works.
Right in the
That's your
kisser.
spot. That's your spot right there.
Oh yeah, make it dance, make it dance.
Alright.
I mean, it's
Happy birthday to you. And many more.
He's 3 years old, everybody. Look, 3 candles.
Made it.
We need to see the inside. Let's cut it in. Oh, nice. Nice. Pretty. Thank you.
I'm just gonna film Margaret's fall.
No.
What's your favorite?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What happened?
Now we can't eat that half. Hancock Street. Good meal. The steak was much better than I remembered last time. They added some new pastas. I really like the pastas, and the squidding pasta was better this time as well. So overall, good improvement. Chicken was nice, juicy. My buddy had a good time for his birthday. Craziness going on Bleecker here. I don't really ride on Bleecker too much. It gets a little crowded. But anyway, listen, you guys should jump out to my website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full analysis, the full review. You'll see the old review up there actually. I'll have to update it with this new stuff. And let me know what you think. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends. And as usual, you gotta tell your fucking grandma. Tell that old fuck.